Soursop is high in vitamin C. It has antioxidant properties that is known to boost your immune system. My name is Marceline. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making some soursop juice. So welcome back. And before we get into the video, I want to give a quick shout out to Shell's Island Flavor. She is a fellow YouTuber and she's looking to grow her channel and expand on the platform. So whenever you have the time, if you can just run over to her channel and check her out if you're watching from YouTube. Alright, so right here I have a large soursop. I'm using my fingers to remove the skin. It is pretty easy, but if you want to go ahead and use a knife, that's fine. But I feel like when you just use your fingers and rip the skin off, it saves more of the soursop because you can actually feel what you're taking off. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and remove the heart. Jamaicans normally give this to kids to stop them from wetting the bed. I don't know if it actually works because I've never tried it. Alright, soursop is native to the West Indies, but it can also be found in the American tropics. It is also a delicious fruit, and of course I had to take a bite. I'm not going to use the heart, so I remove it, and then I'm going to pour a bottle of water in there. I'm going to be using my clean hands to extract the juice. However, you can pulp it by removing the seeds and throw it in a blender and blend it, but we're doing it the old-fashioned authentic way by using our clean hands to squish it until we extract all the juice. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and use that same pulp to extract more juice because there's so much to be taken out of it. And I'm telling you, this was so thick and so rich. You can go ahead and check out all the health benefit that you can get from soursop. Do your own research. I am not a nutritionist, so therefore you go ahead and do your own research. All right. So now I'm going to use that same pulp. I'm going to pour some more water on it and I'm going to extract again because there's so much to be taken out of it and we're not letting anything goes to waste. My mom brought one soursop from Miami. Big up to my sister McDania for sending me some amazing items. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So for the first juice, most persons prefer this one where you add the condensed milk, the cinnamon, a little nutmeg. I didn't add too much nutmeg or cinnamon because I don't want to alter the taste of the soursop. You can also add supplement. I refuse to add any supplement. I just gonna go ahead and make it with just the condensed milk. Alright, so that I can actually taste the soursop. So now for the next one, I'm adding some lime and just a little sugar. That's it. And they're both so nice. The one with the lime is so refreshing. It's so refreshing. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. For me, it depends on the meal that I'm having. I think the lime can go with anything you're eating, but if you're having the one with the milk, it's more of a heavier texture, so you can just have it with something light. Growing up in Jamaica, we normally have this on Sundays. That's my experience. I don't know about you, because whenever I speak about growing up in Jamaica and the things that I do, persons have other experience. So I guess it depending on where in Jamaica you grew up. Alright, but let me know if you like to eat it or drink it. Either way, it's just super delicious and really healthy. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Shell's Island Flavors on YouTube and show her some love. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.